Hello there. Welcome back to the Phoenix in the Moon podcast, where we explore the mysteries of astrology, one placement at a time. Today, we're diving into the underworld, into Pluto and Scorpio, a placement that belongs to the entire generation born between 1983 and 1995, with a brief return in 1996. If that's you, that's me, part of me. Congratulations. You're part of the most psychological, intense, spiritual, evolving, and transformation obsessed generation in recent history. Let's explore what makes Pluto and Scorpio so powerful and why the world needs your energy. So, Pluto is the planet of transformation, distraction, power, and rebirth. It rules the unconscious mind, deep psychology, sexuality, taboos, control, and the unseen forces that shape us. Pluto is a generational planet. That means when it changes signs, it marks a new psychological theme for an entire group of people. So when we talk about Pluto in Scorpio, we're not just talking about individuals. We're talking about the collective souls lessons of an entire generation. Now, let's layer in Scorpio. Scorpio is a fixed water, emotionally intense, loyal, and focused, ruled by Pluto in modern astrology and Mars in traditional astrology. The sign of death, rebirth, sex, power, secrets, and transformation. So when Pluto is in its home sign, Scorpio, we get an amplified expressions of Plutonian energy. This generation is here to confront the shadow, reclaim power, transform systems, evolve spiritually through facing darkness. People with Pluto in Scorpio often share deep characteristics, including emotional intensity. You feel things deeply even if you don't show it. Power hunger, not necessarily in a bad way. You seek authentic power, not ego driven control. Desire for truth. You can stand superficiality. You want to get to the bottom of things. Obsession and compulsion. When you care about something, you go all in. Interest in taboo topics like death, sexuality, spirituality, conspiracy, psychology, nothing is off limits. Transformation as a lifestyle, you're not afraid to burn it all down and start over. The general mission. Pluto in Scorpio mission is deep collective healing and transformation. This generation has inherited broken systems, traumas around power and abuse, secret kept by previous generations, a world in crisis, and you feel it in your bones. Your generation is here to expose, transmute, and regenerate. You're the therapists, shamans, healers, activists, and creatives who aren't afraid to walk into the fire and pull others out with you. The shadow side. But let's talk about the shadow. Pluto in Scorpio can struggle with control issues, wanting to manipulate or dominate, emotional walls like refusing to let others in due to fear of betrayal, trust issues, expecting betrayal or abandonment, dark thoughts or obsessions, living too much in the underworld without balance, addiction or escapism, seeking intense highs to avoid pain. The key is awareness. When you turn the light on in your inner world, your shadow becomes your strength. So, Pluto in Scorpio in relationships. This generation doesn't do casual very well. They crave depth, soul level bonds, merging in intimacy, transformational love. But love can also be a battleground. Pluto in Scorpio often experiences power struggles, jealousy, or betrayal in relationships until they learn to love from empowerment rather than fear. How this generation is changing the world. Pluto in Scorpio is the generation that destigmatize mental health, talk openly about trauma, called out corruption and abuse of power, revolutionize healing through shadow work, therapy, psychedelics, and spirituality. Embrace the dark feminine, sacred sexuality, and holistic rebirth. You're not here to fit in. You're here to dismantle what's false and build what's real. So, mm, the integration tips. Here's how to work with your Pluto and Scorpio placement. Embrace shadow work, journal, meditate, go to therapy. Be honest with yourself about your desire and wounds. Let go of what you can control. True power is surrender with awareness. Transmute pain into purpose. Use your experiences to help others. Stay grounded. Don't live in extremes. Integrate light and dark. You're not too much. You were just born to feel deeply and transform fear into power. And if you have any question regarding this energy, if I just feel free to message. Um, I didn't uh, offer service yet for readings, but just feel free to message on the comment sections. Thank you for joining into the underworld with me today as we explore this Pluto and Scorpio energy. This placement isn't easy, but it's potent. You were born to heal, transform, and lead others through darkness. Basically, you are familiar with the darkness and you leading other people to go to the light. And it's a very, if you have this energy, you have mission to accomplish in this lifetime. And if this resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe, share the episode, or leave a review. And if you want more on Pluto in the houses or aspects, let me know. Until next time, keep evolving. You're not breaking down, you're breaking through.